So I'm struggling today. It is 2:19. So I woke up, had breakfast with y'all. I started work at like 8 this morning. Made breakfast, edited, organized some stuff, turned in some sponsorships. And I'm sitting here wondering, how the fuck are we gonna do Vlogtober? Like, how am I gonna have time to do stuff when I have to edit all day? What's the tea? So anyways, we're gonna get through it though. Like, we're gonna get through it. This is only day 2, so I can't already be feeling like this. But I think what I'm about to do is take a nap, and I'm about to take like a 30-minute hour nap, and then I have to straighten up again. I'm gonna hop in the shower and get ready for the day because I still need to film later. So Tuesday we're getting a silk press, and which means that the last wig sponsorship that I have to do needs to be done either today or tomorrow, so that Tuesday my hair is already like washed and ready to go, which means honestly, preferably, well, I can't even talk. Which means honestly that my hair needs to be washed and sectioned, which she's doing a wash and condition, but my hair needs to be taken down from the Queen Latifah set it off like tomorrow, which means my hair has to be done today. So today's Sunday, which was a reality check because I thought it was Saturday, but it turns out it's Sunday because I was watching Chelsea's vlog and she said, people in the comments was like, happy Sunday, and I'm like, Sunday, what? But yeah, B-Ray's in town. He should be here in the next like 3 hours. He's actually here. He's just like 30 minutes away. And whenever my man gets off, he's going to go get B-Ray, and B-Ray's going to be here. So I'm about to take a nap for like a 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. Or I may just hop in the shower right this second and do my makeup so I can get ready to do my hair and film my hair video. I don't know. It's giving very much I should just get up right now. So that's probably what we'll do, honestly. I wanted to take a nap, but it's just not enough time. But I know for a fact I want to make some dessert, like some apple fritters or some type of something warm and satisfying and sweet. Something with some apples and some cinnamon. I don't know. That's what I'm feeling today. So as far as actually leaving the house, I don't think I have to leave and do anything. I might go to the gym later because we haven't been going walking because it's been raining outside. We were walking every day, but I might just have to go to the gym. But for now, I'm probably about to just hop in the shower and go ahead and do my makeup and get ready to do my hair. I need a coffee or something because this ain't gonna get it. But yeah, let's just keep on going with the day. You just gotta get shit done. I want to film before anyone gets here. My hair. And everyone will be here around 6 and it's 2:20, so I can always clean up after I do my stuff. I can always, what the fuck am I even saying? I can always clean up last minute after I get out the shower and do my makeup and my hair. So yeah, let's just go shower. Fuck it. Life goes on, you know? With our lip, I just want to go in with this Remedy by Ari right here over my fortune cookie. Is it just me or Beauty Supply lip gloss be the best? This is Remedy by Ari, but I swear the Beauty Supply like lip glosses over your combos, it could just be me, but they eat down. But this is the final look. Let me know how y'all think it turned out. I think it's super cute. So my boyfriend told me that they're on the way, so I'm about to do my hair and then we will be getting ready for the evening. I have a hair video to film, so I'm about to do my hair, and then I will come back and we'll hurry up and straighten up, figure out dinner. Not quite sure. I think we might have leftovers, but I am cramping, so I'm definitely gonna need some castor oil and a freaking heating pad tonight, because something ain't right. All right, y'all, so I just finished my hair. This is just for like I said, like a day or two, because really like a day, because tomorrow we are gonna take our hair down and give it a good wash, and I might do an egg treatment or something, I don't know. But B-Ray is in town. They just got here about 20 minutes ago. They're downstairs unloading the truck, and we are going to, well, I'm going to straighten up for the next like 10-15 minutes, but we are headed to the park to go for a walk. Like I said, we haven't been for a walk in a while, but my boyfriend has a load to finish at the park that he set up earlier, so he has to go take that load down. So while we're there, we're just gonna go ahead and walk since he has an order there. So yeah, I'm loving these curls, if you cannot tell by now. But yeah, we are also, I just confirmed, we are having a leftover chili for dinner, so we're just gonna do the chili dogs. We have turkey and we have Polish sausage, so we're probably going to grill the turkey dogs, go throw them upstairs on the grill, and enjoy them. I love this hair, oh my god, like it's so gorgeous. But yeah, I'm about to straighten up real quick while they unload the truck, and I'll see y'all at the park. Get your running shoes on. Are we running? No, but do what I said. We should be running, but we walking.
I just like grab it. You ever feel embarrassed just running back?
Yeah, all the time.
Can't you just send me that film?
Yeah. Hey y'all, it is 9:20, and B-Ray, we do this every time he comes into town. I gotta clean his ears, y'all. He was like, you gonna clean my ears today or tomorrow? I'm like, I got you, little bro. So it's 9:20. I'm gonna actually record this and put this in the thing too, so y'all can see. If you don't like picking, just go ahead and click off, because this gonna make you bad. This is gonna be nasty to you. But so that's your left ear. So let's see what B-Ray is working with. Oh wait, here.
Hold it.
Yeah. Okay. Is that right?
Mm-mm.
You see that?
Mm-hmm. You can go deep just to scoop it out. I can hear it.
We need the thing that digs down and pinches. You know what I mean?
Pinches? That does not sound.
Huh?
That does not sound.
I meant
real.
pinch the
Oh, wax.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that top piece.
Oh. You alright?
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop it. But I have to look in real life, cause
You can see that.
yeah, cause you don't have a lot. You don't have a lot of hair either. You ready? You okay?
Yeah. I just brought my teeth on.
Got it, boys. Okay, do you think it's more in there?
Oh, you got it.
That's one of them. Oh, that's all new wax. You're gonna have to wait for that to harden up.
Let me see it.
You smell good.
I have a question. Do we have cookies?
Do we have cookies? Yeah, you want some dessert?
Some warm cookies.
Some warm cookies.
Yeah.
So you've got sugar cookies. You've got oatmeal chocolate chip.